Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on POCO F6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down and then click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now you have to open Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account and click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.